Most PPC campaigns fail before they even start. Not because of bad ads, but because the budget is wrong. If you want ads that scale instead of burn money, watch this. Today, I'll show you how to calculate a PPC budget that actually works so your campaigns generate data, leads, and ROI. Most businesses ask, what's the minimum I can spend? That's gambling. Top marketers ask, how much do we need to test and learn before scaling? Without enough clicks, you can't validate. Audiences, creatives, landing pages, the 5 elements of a realistic PPC budget. 1. Market CPC. Know what each click costs in your niche. 2. Conversion rate. Use real data, not guesses. 3. Sales cycle. Some leads take longer to convert. 4. Break even. CPA. Know how much each lead or sale is worth. 5. Testing time. Don't expect instant results. PPC takes iterations. How top marketers scale. Step 1. Budget enough to test. Step 2. Gather data on ads, audiences, and landing pages. Step 3. Optimize for ROI. Step 4. Scale when you have predictable performance. Smart brands learn before they spend. That's how growth becomes predictable. Like and subscribe for more marketing content.